Finding the best fishing gear can be such a long task, especially since you have to pick through many choices in the market. Fish Finally is here to make your job easier. We've put together this list of the 10 best choices. We've tested each and every one of them to really make sure you're getting the best. Our list of recommendations carry only the best products of the bunch and give you a clear idea on key features. To know more about each of these, you can always check out the links we've put in the description box. Let's dive in.
For pro anglers or absolute beginners, spinning reels can be an easy choice for a hassle-free fishing trip. However, since there are a lot of options swimming out there, picking one is somewhat tricky. That's why we've brought you this video guide on the 10 best spinning reel under 30 that anyone can pick up and enjoy.
Next up on our list is something you should really give a shot. It has really attractive features and great value for the money.
Number 10. Fishdrops Spinning Reel. This Fishdrops spinning reel comes with a newly designed body structure. The industrial nylon material makes this fishing reel stronger. It uses high-precision base gear and stainless main shaft and big bail, all of which provide the anglers a good experience. This Fishdrops spinning reel comes with 12+1 high-rated ball bearings and a one-way clutch system, which is an anti-reverse system. It has a high-speed gear ratio of 5.5:1, which makes the reels more smooth and have a good performance. It also comes with a CNC machined aluminum spool with carved honeycomb holes, which makes this fishing reel more beautiful and lightweight. This spinning reel is equipped with a CNC die-casting aluminum handle with EVA knob. The handle can be exchangeable for the left-hand and right-hand reels. This kind of Fishdrops spinning reel has a nice design for appearance and has a good quality for action at a reasonable price. Number 9. RUNCL Spinning Reel. If you are looking for the best spinning reel, then look at this RUNCL spinning reel. It is one of the best spinning reels on the market. This RUNCL spinning reel continues its reign of dominance with affordable performance in the fishing field. It offers reliability and smoothness, yet is low on price and turns any angler into a pro. This RUNCL spinning reel is constructed with a CNC machined aluminum alloy spool. It helps to spread the fishing line properly all over the spool, minimizes line twists for effortless casting. It features 7+1 precise ball bearings, stainless steel main shaft, and a sealed triple disc drag system that delivers consistent retrieve and smooth operation. It is fitted with a metal braid grip on the spool, which is angler-friendly and ready to prevent the braid from slipping. The reel is equipped with an ergonomic handle and an oversized EVA knob. It provides a superior grip and keeps your hands comfortable during a long fishing trip. Number 8. Oiiaee Spinning Reel. Are you looking for a great saltwater spinning reel under 50 that will last you years, without making a large dent in your bank balance? Whether you're a complete beginner or you've got some experience, the Oiiaee could be the one you're looking for. The Oiiaee saltwater spinning reel is crafted with a relatively narrow hollow graphite body and lightweight reel gears. It is light to 8.8 ounce that makes you enjoy the ultimate fishing trip. It features 10 high-quality ball bearings and 1 anti-reverse bearing. This reel has a strong drag and braking system combined to give you a silky smooth, balanced operation for all-day fishing comfort and enjoyment. This reel is constructed with a metal braid grip on the spool, which is angler-friendly and ready to prevent the braid from slipping. It has a superior drag system that offers incredible stopping power up to 44 pound. It has a hardened metal main shaft that has perfect mesh drive gear and precision machined pinion gear for fish fighting power. Number 7. Yongzhi Spinning Reel. The Yongzhi spinning reel has a lightweight, yet very strong graphite frame and rotor that will perform like reels, costing much more. The spool is machined of CNC grade aluminum to reduce weight and deliver long, accurate casts. This Yongzhi spinning reel has 13+1 corrosion-resistant smooth ball bearings, and 1 instant stop one-way anti-reverse bearing, giving it ultra-smooth performance. It has a powerful carbon fiber drag. This reel is equipped with precision brass gears, hardened metal main shaft for more strength, durability, and consistent performance. It has an exceptionally smooth startup that allows you to use the lightest fishing lines for finesse fishing. The reel fitted the handle with extremely comfortable, durable EVA handle knobs, exceptionally slip-resistant, and gave you maximum control over your fishing reel in all conditions. This saltwater spinning reel is an awesome gift for experienced and beginners.
Up next, we have a great mid-range model that would give you a satisfactory result all around.
Number 6. Ghosthorn spinning reel. Do you need the best spinning reel for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best spinning reel sitting tight for you. The Ghosthorn spinning reel is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. It features an ultra-lightweight graphite body and a computer-balanced rotor. It is designed to be durable in construction and smooth in performance. The matte black body pairing with a green aluminum spool represents strength and energy. It perfectly indicates Ghosthorn's goal in bringing anglers powerful gears and brilliant experience. It is fluid cranking with 4 stainless steel ball bearings and 1 instant anti-reverse bearing. This spinning reel provides ultra-smooth retrieves and allows for zero handles back play. This reel is upgraded with 3 carbon fiber drag washers. It features a powerful drag system that offers incredible stopping power up to 34.3 pound without sacrificing smoothness. It also has stainless steel main shaft, high-quality drive gear, and precisely machined brass pinion gear. The Ghosthorn GT series is the best in value and an ideal choice to make your fishing trip fun. Number 5. Mr. Crappie spinning reel. Do you need the best spinning reel under 30 for your convenience? No pressure. This Mr. Crappie spinning reel is the best answer to your concern. The Mr. Crappie is a standout amongst other spinning reels on the lookout. This Mr. Crappie spinning reel is crafted with a graphite body, rotor, and spool. They are made of durable material with a lightweight design. The reel is also constructed with 2 bearings. It has a 5.2:1 gear ratio. The reel also comes with a thin compact gearbox. This reel will give you the confidence you need when targeting large fish. This fishing reel is an awesome gift for experienced and beginners. It is suitable for ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir, pond, stream. Number 4. Plusinno spinning reel. The Plusinno spinning reel comes with a rigid graphite frame and lightweight reel gears. The matte silver body insect with golden and the new hollow outs design. It is applied for the fishing reels on a graphite frame, which makes spinning reels lighter and more stylish while ensuring overall strength. This spinning reel is made of 9 quality ball bearings and 1 instant stop for one-way anti-reverse bearing. These exceptional bearings reduce noise. It offers you silky smooth and balanced operation and all-day fishing comfort. It also has a superior drag system. This reel also offers incredible stopping power up to 19.8 pounds of impressive run stopping power. It has a hardened metal main shaft. It is perfect mesh drive gear and precision machined pinion gear. The reel is designed with a high-capacity CNC aluminum spool. It also has a reversible left or right-handed retrieve aluminum handle. Its braid line-ready spool doesn't need monofilament line backing before filling the reel with a braided line to avoid slippage. It's an awesome gift for beginners and experienced. Number 3. Sougayilang spinning reel. Are you searching for the best spinning reel for your ordinary use? Try not to stress. Here is the best spinning reel sitting tight for you. The Sougayilang spinning reel is perhaps the most ideal decision for you. This reel makes certain to carry a grin to your face. This Sougayilang spinning reel comes with an ultra-thin streamlined designed body. It has a superior drag system that offers incredible stopping power. It comes with an aluminum spool with high tensile gear and more fishing line capacity. The fishing reel also has a CNC machine-cut ABS collapsible handle. It is left or right interchangeable. It also includes a durable drag knob, premium quality inner parts, and smooth ball bearings that give it ultra-smooth performance. It is suitable for ocean boat fishing, ocean rock fishing, ocean beach fishing, lake, river, reservoir, pond, stream.
Before we get to the best of the bunch, let's look at the runner-up for today's video.
Number 2. Piscifun Spinning Reel. Do you want to catch fish as a source of income or as a hobby? You need to have the best spinning reel in your tackle box. Spinning reels work incredibly fine in helping you catch both small and large fish. This Piscifun Flame spinning reel can be your best choice. This Piscifun Flame spinning reel comes with a narrow hollow graphite body and lightweight reel gears. The matte black body paired with the red aluminum spool perfectly indicates its name Flame. It has an X-shaped spool and a personalized handle. It also has 9 quality ball bearings plus 1 roller bearing paired with precision gear engagement. You will enjoy the buttery smooth performance on the Flame spinning fishing reel. The spinning reel offers incredible drag power up to 19.8 pounds. Plenty of great features have been given to this freshwater fishing reel: the reinforced metal main shaft, high-quality drive gear, precisely machined brass pinion gear, and triple drag washers. It makes you easily fight with the giants. It comes with a braid-ready spool that makes the Piscifun Flame a super value reel. Piscifun is continuously providing the most cost-effective fishing tackle for your anglers.
From performance to price, from design to durability, the last product on our list is the best out of all we've reviewed.
Number 1. KastKing Spinning Reel. The KastKing spinning reel is loaded with quality features. It is a fishing reel that is an excellent addition to your fishing tackle collection. 9+1 quality ball bearings, powerful drag, and special components stand up to hard use. It spools up a spinning reel with a KastKing braided line for a high-performance package. This KastKing spinning reel is made of aluminum and graphite material. It has a lighter and stronger CNC machined aluminum spool that has a more even line lay. The internal grooves for lube retention and more fishing line capacity. It also has a superior drag system that offers incredible stopping power up to 17.5 pounds. It has a hardened metal main shaft, perfect mesh drive gear, and precision machined pinion gear for fish fighting power. The fishing reel comes with 9 quality ball bearings and 1 instant stop one-way anti-reverse bearing. It gives an ultra-smooth performance. It comes with a narrow graphite frame design and computer balancing system combined with high performance. The compact spinning reel makes it an awesome gift for anybody who loves fishing. Hope you have no doubts about the best spinning reel under 30 in the market. If you enjoyed this, make sure to like and subscribe. Drop a suggestion in the comment box if you think we can do better.